Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT widget on INFINIX Smart 8. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open. And here click this button to skip introduction, and then click not now and click open permissions. Now click here on AI assistant and then click back. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your Chat GPT widget, and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.